Battlefield Logistics. A unit of measurement for all distances and ranges in the fantasy battles is the inch. Inch corresponded to 2.54 centimeters. When using a 28mm scale miniatures, 1 inch in the game would be roughly equal to 1.5 meters in real life. Also, we are having the line of sight. A model can draw a line of sight to its target if you can extend a straight line from its front facing directly to its target without the line, leaving the model's front arc being interrupted by opaque terrain, being interrupted by the edge of a base of a model that has an equal or bigger height than both the model and its target. When drawing a line of sight from several models in a side unit, this is done independently from each model line of sight. Line of sight cannot be drawn to targets if the endpoint would be outside of the unit's front arc. Actually, that means that unit just doesn't see anything. So on this figure you may see the actual drawing the line of sight. The area within which the single model Unit D can draw a line of sight is marked in yellow. Unit B within the line of sight. Unit A is within the line of sight, as Unit D can draw a line of sight to the unit boundary of Unit A, even though that part of Unit A boundary is not occupied by any models. Unit C is not within the line of sight. Unit spacing. Under normal circumstances, all units must be separated from impossible terrain and from both friendly and enemy units more than 1 inch. Remember that the distances between the units are measured to and from their unit boundaries. Certain types of movement allow a unit to come within 1 inch of other units or impassable terrain. The most common types of movements are: during an advance move or march move, units may come up to half of an inch of these elements, but must be more than 1 inch away at the end of the move. During a failed charge move or a charge move, units are allowed to come within half of an inch of these elements, including base contact. Once units end up within 1 inch of other units or impassable terrain after a failed charge move or a charge move, they are allowed to remain within 1 inch. As soon as they move farther away, the usual restrictions regarding unit spacing apply again. Removing a unit from a battlefield does not count as moving of the unit farther away for this purpose. As you can see on the figure, during an advance or march move, Unit A may be moved closer than 1 inch to unit boundary of Unit B. Unit A may, however, not come within half of an inch of a Unit B. Since Unit A started the move more than 1 inch away from a Unit B, it must be more than 1 inch away from Unit B boundary at the end of its advance or march move.